Peep the little stance Legos. I cambered them myself. And that is the bullet that went through my leg. All that for these 2 little boxes. This is gonna look super rad. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, y'all. So as you can tell, I'm kind of on my feet. My leg is still killing me. My ankle still feels broken. This shit's no joke, dude. If you haven't watched my previous video, make sure you guys go check it out and see what happened. But after a few weeks, you know, I'm feeling a lot better, and I am, you know, I'm on the road to recovery. So I'm gonna do these few little simple things, you know, that I can, and get done, you know, what I can, obviously, and just take it easy. But I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and hopefully you guys can enjoy this video. You know, and just, you know, be careful with what you guys do with guns, man. I'm not even kidding. But as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be installing this ECS tuning rear stress bar, I believe is what it's called. But yeah, we're going to just get to that and then probably go for a good cruise and see how the car handles. I feel like this is going to go great paired with the new struts and the heavy duty rear shock mounts. So yeah, let's just get to it. Also, this is probably like one of the last really nice days that we're gonna get here in the Portland, Oregon area. So I figured I would get this done and enjoy it and go for a good cruise, because it's looking pretty nice out. And I'm crossing fingers that the weather stays just like this. That is what I'm talking about. Still feels like summer. But yeah, this is probably going to be like one of the easiest installation videos ever. Yeah, I'm just going to set the time lapse up and get to it. Goes from right there to right there. Again, I still got some cleaning up to do in this, but yeah, it's coming along for sure. I cannot wait to get this done, because it's not just for, you know, I'm going to have another purpose to this stress bar. You guys will see in a later video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. That was probably one of the most tedious mods I have ever done. That, I don't know why they designed it like this, why those are on the bottom, like, and there, I don't know if you can even see it, but there is another little one right over there to the right behind that little part where it goes, like it's indented. Yeah, this side was much easier, but still super hard to get to that last bolt back there. But it's in, looks sick. It's pretty much perfectly centered, so I'm hyped. Looks good. Hell yeah. Yeah, that wasn't too hard, honestly. These were just the hard thing to get on, so take your time. Alrighty, I've got the GoPro mounted up. I'm not gonna roll the window down this time. Yeah, I'm gonna switch over to that, and we are gonna head down my favorite little road that is not too far from my house, and yeah, just go for a good little cruise. Back into town. Honestly, I love that little road. And that is gonna wrap up today's video. I really appreciate everybody for liking, commenting, and subscribing if you do so. If you made it to the end, thank you very much. Just know there's lots more to come. The car handles amazing right now. That ECS tuning, rear stress bar definitely helped, and it feels super good paired with the new struts and whatnot. Can't wait to get the new front bags in and get some like control arms with polyurethane bushings as well, new ball joints, and then there's a couple more aesthetic mods, and then it is full send, big turbo time, and I cannot wait. Not going to say too much about it, but just know it's going stage 4 custom tune, so it's going to be sick and it's going to be fast. So right now, I mean, it's pretty quick, but it's not super fast. So yeah, stay tuned, you guys. Lots more to come, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Peace.